Today we are going to be reviewing the Anakin Skywalker Graflex Lightsaber from Xtra Life Toys and Games. Make sure you stay to the end so you can find out how you can win your very own lightsaber. In this awesome case is the Graflex Saber, otherwise known as the Skywalker Saber, or some may call it the Youngling Slayer 3000. This is probably the most popular saber in all of the Star Wars universe. So without further ado, let's crack open this case. This saber is a Xenopixel V3 and it is from Xtra Life Toys and Games. This here is the iconic Graflex Xenopixel V3 Anakin Skywalker, Luke Skywalker, and I'm not going to say it. But as you can imagine, this is probably the most popular saber in all of Star Wars. This saber is seen throughout the prequels, this lightsaber is seen throughout the original trilogy, and yes, it is seen in the sequels trilogy as well. This iconic lightsaber was built by Anakin Skywalker after he loses his first lightsaber in the Geonosian droid factory. When you order a Graflex saber from Xtra Life Toys and Games, you are going to receive this carry case. Inside the case will be your product manual. This is going to show you how to work the saber, how to connect it to your phone, and everything else. You will have your USB stick if you want to program your own unique sound fonts. Yes, you can add your own unique sound fonts. Your charge cable to charge up your rechargeable battery that's located within the hilt. Your bag with your Allen keys and your set screws to hold your blade in place. Your stand, somewhere to display your awesome new Graflex saber. Tucked in the back will be your Xenopixel Blade. And then of course, the actual hilt and core itself. This lightsaber comes preloaded with 34 iconic sound fonts. Here are a couple examples.
Moonfield. Whispers of Power. The Teacher. The Second. The Learner. The Dark Lord Revisited.
It is totally dueling grade. Now what that means is you can actually fight with it. We've driven over these lightsabers with a car.
Yep, you're on it.
We've smashed them off brick walls. They've held every test that we've put them through. So with that being said, it does come with a 1-year warranty. If you manage to break it in any way, shape, or form, we will get it fixed up for you. Obviously, you cannot saw your blade in half or stick it in a fire and expect us to fix it. But if it breaks during dueling or something like that happens, then we're obviously going to honor that 1-year warranty and we will get it fixed right up for you. This saber can go any color you can possibly think of. You can pair it to any Bluetooth device to control all of the different features and functions that come loaded with the Xenopixel V3. Different ignitions, different retractions, different animations within the blade, different blade types, different blade styles, different sounds, blaster effects, flash on clash, force effects, smooth swing, all of the different features that you can think of come loaded in the Xenopixel V3.
Now let's compare it to a 2005 Master Replica lightsaber.
If you guys want to pick up your very own Graflex lightsaber, head over to xtralife.tg.com. Use code FREESHIP at checkout to get free shipping on your lightsaber. Now, how to win a lightsaber for free. All you have to do is hit this subscribe button and you're automatically entered for a chance to win the Darth Maul lightsaber on the screen. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're going to choose one lucky winner and we're going to be giving this Darth Maul lightsaber to you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, stay subscribed, because after we hit our milestone of 10,000, we're going to be doing another giveaway at our next milestone. See you in the next one, and may the Force be with you.